Hey there guys, so today I'm going to show you my favorite common pets. So basically this group is for all of my favorite line arts that come out each month, and so when their rarities come out I just stick them in my favorites group if a certain line art sticks out to me. So a lot of the times when there are Christmas lions or new line arts or the first of many new line arts, like for an example, these guys. So these are fairly new. They just came out, I think, last summer. So, of course, I stashed them away in my favorites group because they were new. No one had ever seen them before, and I liked the way they looked. So, I just stick pets in here that stick out to me. So, I'm going to show you all of these pets. I got most of these when the pets were coming out. If I did not get them when the pets were coming out, it means that they were a gift from someone else. So, yeah, I have all these lions in here. I've got these cool looking horses. I liked the way they looked, and then I liked the patterns on these guys. Like, that looks like a snow leopard. I thought it was really cool. And then, of course, I have to stick some little PPS lions in here, as well as little baby parrots. It's just so cute. This might have been a gift. I think it was a gift. Yes, it was. So I stuck all these guys in my favorites group. I have a trade, so I'll be checking that in a little bit. But I liked the way that these cats looked. And then I think that this guy is kind of funny looking, so I just stuck him in there. It was also a gift, too. I loved the way that this lion looked. I love the realistic looking animals. The staff pet litter of 2018. Actually, no, that's not a staff pet. It was like a bunch of different blue animals that looked like this. But I liked a lot of them, so I went ahead and I stuck them in my favorites group. Because it actually had been a while since Malk had done anything, like this dragon right here. This was the first line art that they had in years. So, of course, I stuck him in there, and then I love the unicorn. They haven't done a fish since 2013, I believe. Same with the pony zebra thing here. Owls, I think it might have been the same with the owls. I might be wrong, though. But yes, Nick Pets. It had been a while since they had done Nick Pets, too. I liked the way that these Fennec boxes looked. And, of course, the Malk Pets. I love Malk outlines. And then these were, I think, just monthly pets. No, they were December. My bad. So, of course, I stuck them in here. Loved the look of this guy. Anytime they change something, even like slightly in a line art of a pet, I stick in my favorites group. Like this, they changed the tail. Like the tail's never like that, and it just looks really cool. And then the same with these guys. They're so cute. And then these two horses were the first horses that look like this to come out in a really long time. This was one of the first chickens, Malk chickens. Or no, not Malk, Nick chickens. Loved that zebra. Of course, the tree is adorable. That was a monthly pet. This guy I thought looked cool. Very interesting. And then I loved the look of these dogs because they look realistic. Love realistic animals. And then, of course, cows. You can't, not like cows. And then I had the unicorn here. I think this was one of the first line arts for this type of dragon. And love this lion. And then that's a cool butterfly wolf because it's unlike any other butterfly wolf I've ever seen. I think they came out with another one on Valentine's Day one year, but that was the first outline of that one. And then I thought that was cool. I love snowy owls, so I had to put that in this group because I love snowy owls. And then the huskies here, I love huskies too. And these kittens, they're realistic, so of course I stuck them in there. This must have been a gift, because if it has a name, yeah. Aw. Yeah. So I got them as a gift. This one's cute. Looks like a plushie. Love the draft horses, realistic draft horses. This might have been another gift. No, I just kept it. It's weird. I liked the look of this cat. Guess I liked the look of this butterfly wolf too. Yeah. Huh. And then I liked these staff pets of this year, or of 2015. That was a cute fennec fox. Had to put it in there. I thought that was really weird, but cool at the same time. Loved the pugs. There's another zebra. And then, of course, like who you can't not like the little zebra here. It's adorable. And then those are just cool. This one right here, I love this fennec fox. It's really cool. And then I got this in December of 2014. That was, I think, the second year that deer were like a thing. It was 2014 was also the first year that I played ChickenSmoothie, so I kept a lot of pets that I liked, like the dwarf hamsters and the turkeys and stuff. But we are coming very close to some of my very first pets that are my favorites just because they remind me of when I first started playing the game. So this is a cat from the litter that I got in 2014. It was a month after I had joined. And then I got this guy and this guy during the Halloween event. And same with this guy. This guy. Actually, this might have been a pet because I don't remember naming him Born Rage. Yeah, it's another gift. Aww. Oh, I got this one during the Halloween event. This one was a gift. And then, yeah, I have some of my very first dogs right here. And I just liked them because they were my first ones. And then same here, this whole page is pretty much my very first pets. This one right here, Maggie, was literally the first pet I got. So she's, of course, my favorite. She's always dressed up because she reminds me of when I first started playing the game. And then you got all these guys. And then pets beyond this were basically gifts or my dreamies when I first started playing. So let me see how I got this guy. I think it was a gift. Yep. So this was in... Oh, it was in 2015. So it was a year after I started playing. But they gave me a gift, so it looks like I put all those pets in my favorites group. This guy, I loved him. He was like my little minor dreamy when I first started playing. And look at this. Oh, it was in a adoption center, it looks like. Yeah, and then I loved these guys. Yes, very much so. And then I remember loving the pattern on this, because once again, it's a snow leopard type look. And then I loved this cat, because I thought it was so pretty. And then loved the unicorns. I feel like this one was a gift. If not, it was a very nice trade, I think. Yes, it was. Aw. I gave them one little gift. Or one little item, I mean. Okay, so let's see. We're on page 12. I'm gonna go answer these trades real quick. Oh my. That's really good. I love getting trades like that. It's fun. Let's see. No! Why would I do that? Okay, so with the rats, I'm collecting rats, but not overpaying for them. So let's see. I'll see if I can find something else on their side that they can add, like a rare or something. So that's 2017. So, yeah, they don't have anything. Okay. Rare trades. It's 2000. Oh, they don't really have any. They just kind of jumped a couple years. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this guy and I'll add some stuff on my side. Did they have one uncommon or something? Okay, they have. Oh, I completed my hamster collection, if you guys were wondering. Yeah, I completed it about like a couple days after I posted the one video. Do this guy. Wait, no, I should do it 2014. What am I thinking? Or we'll just do a bunny. How's that? Would this work instead? Okay. So you're on page 12. So yes, I love all of these guys. This guy right here was my minor dreamy at some point because I remember being so excited when I got him. Let's see what this trade looks like. And then this was a gift, I believe, from a really big trade. Like, or a really, really big gift of a bunch of bunnies. Oh. Why did I do that? Oh well. I was just starting the game, so it's figuring out how things were working. Alright, so I got owls because I remember them, loving them. This guy was a minor dreamy because, once again, I love snowy owls or Arctic foxes or like anything, any white, pure white creature. I love. And then I loved these guys. And then I thought that the snow on this pony was adorable. And I loved the horse too. I think I got them both in this trade. Oh, no, I didn't. I got it as a gift. Sweet. And then these guys were some of my favorites. And this guy right here. I remember it being hard for me to get him because he had a lot of demand at the time when I traded for him. Wow. That was very kind of that person. There were a lot of really sweet people when I first started playing. Oh, so that'll be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next one.